Hello again, folks. Welcome back to Squire Sunday, we're calling it now. So, in light of recent events, I do have another Squire 220. As it happens, I do have two. That's why I was going to give one away. And today, I thought we'd jump a few. Obviously, the ones that are opened on the playlist. And you can go over to the Squire Leave a Lot collection and click on our playlist and see these being picked. But today we're going to jump down to the little itty bitty tiny Squire 220 because I've just recently had mishaps with it. I have made tools, I can make tools, and I'm going to show you how it can be done. So once I get that other one sorted out, we'll be off again. So this is a turning tool from UK Lockpickers when they were trading, and the wire and the upright I did have to grind down, take the threads off so it was small enough to fit in that keyway. So it's a modified tip on the tensioner. Oh, actually, before I carry on, here's a little tip. Sometimes on these tiny little padlocks, as you bolt throws, this little shutter cap, let me find the pick. There we go. So yeah, this little shutter cap can fall down and trap your wire as it's turning. So to avoid that, you can actually pick it upside down, or you could put an elastic band around it to hold that up, or my mate Nick B, he puts a bit of blue tack on it. There's different ways to get around it, or you can just sense when the bolt's about to go and not go completely mad on throwing it. So, right, let me see, because I always put my finger there to guide it as well. So let's see if we can get a good camera view. Yeah, so we are locked. I just wanted to do this just to get it in my head, because that other one's been getting in my head. There we go. There we are. So it can be done. Here's my little modified tip. Look, as you can see, I've taken a lot of the threads off. It's a bit crude, but it does the job. So that's that. That's a picking wire from UK Lockpickers. So as I said before in my previous ones, it can be done. I have done it. I've done it many times. But there you go. Every now and then you just get one of those things what I sent to test you. That's a bit on the key, in case I didn't say. I probably forgot. So that's another one down. That's a Squire 220. Thanks ever so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the series and the collection. And until next time, folks, take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you soon.